Alright guys, yes, so we just came to our first bus stop. You know we have our first bus stop there now. First bus stop there for the entrance to New Banana Island. Are you aware that PrimeRose Court is inside Banana Island? A service estate, standard one inside Banana Island. And this is the entrance to New Banana Island. This bridge will take you directly from here straight. You see those green land there? That is New Banana Island. The bridge will take you from here, this entrance. Are you seeing the road? And then you just turn, and go over there. Are you seeing the tractors that they are walking? This is the entrance. And PrimeRose Court is inside Banana Island. And you move here 3 minutes from Odili Road down to PrimeRose Court in Banana Island, and it's going for 12 million naira. Yes, so 12 million naira. See up now, work they go on. So if you want to have a land here, all you need to do is to call Madam Pekle Africa on 090342965119. You will see the phone number on the screen of this video. Just quickly dial it and call me, all right? Take a look. Can you see? Serious work is going on here. So quickly and sharply call Madam Pekle Africa. And they wait for you, you know now. All right, take a look. Okay, I'll take you to PrimeRose Court because work has started. So quickly call Madam Pekle. And they wait for you. And the number again is 090342965119.